Okay guys, I have an interesting video for today. When I say Bitcoin price is pointing to $7,000, and I say literally, I mean it's literally pointing to $7,000. I'm going to recreate this chart and break this down for you, explain what all this means. And guys, if you like this content, leave a like. I appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. Remember, you can access all these live charts on the website pinned in the first comment description. So before I recreate this chart, I'm going to show you a few things. Currently, I'm in a short. Guys, if you're going to sign up for Bitget, my link's pinned in the first comment description. So one thing that will negate this, guys, Bitcoin follows indices. If the indices go up, Bitcoin will go up. For this to play out, Bitcoin needs to be below 19,800. So my stop loss is 19,850. So if price pushes up to 19,850, I will lose $2,600. If price drops down to 7,000, I will make $99,232, and this is with $4,000 at 40x. Just to show you my short, I'm currently short to $7,000. One good thing about Bitget though, now while in Bitget can only have one long and one short open with USDT, you could keep your short open with USDT, and then you could actually long and short with USDC. So that's what I plan on doing, keeping the short open. So let me show you a few things, guys. This is the very first thing I teach in my tutorials about trend lines. I just want to show you how you can project the tops for bull markets and the bottoms for bear markets. If you go back here to 2013, you connect these three wicks. This gives you this top in 2017. Notice right here, you come from this wick to our peak in 2019. Gives you our peak right here in 2021. If you go from our bottom in 2020 as resistance here, or support, that gives you your peak right here in 2021. So just showing you how, if you look at the charts and you study price action, connecting certain wicks and certain candles, you can project where your tops and bottoms are. This is another example. I tested this with every single bull market, every single bear market. All of the clues are here. If you notice this line right here, I'm not going to show you every single one, but if you connect this wick with these wicks, this gives you your bottom here in 2020. This right here, you can see if you connect these two wicks right here, this gives you our bottom in 2018. This one, if you connect this wick and this wick, it gives you our bottom right here. Just to give you another example, if you connect right here, this wick right here to this one, this gives you your top here. This is just showing you that the clues are there if you look for them. I took this to the next level to find the bottom of our current bear market. And this is crazy, but what I want to point out, all of these lines converge right here, right in this area. Now let me show you these lines. So all I did, this line right here, all I did was connect this wick, and this wick, and look where it takes you, right here. This one, all I do is go from our peak in 2013 to our bottom in 2020. Look where it converges, right here. This one, it just comes from our peak in 2017 to our peak in 2019, converges right here. And this is currently our resistance. Now again, as long as we stay below this point, it's possible it could play out. I'm shorting it, I think it will. Now again, when I say I took it to the next level, look at all these lines. Every single one of these lines all point to this area. And you can see this. I'll show you a few of them. You can see right here, this resistance to this point converges right here. Notice this one right here. This, all of this support right here. I'll just show you one more. I mean, this is crazy. Look at this. Connect this wick with this wick, takes you right to this point. So as you can see, the direction of price, all of these lines point to right here, and this is around 7,000. Now I'm going to add a fib channel. I've already got this created. I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it so it's not too busy. I'm going to put it over this one right here, and I'm going to recreate that other chart I just showed you. Alright, so first thing, let's add another fib channel, and this will make sense as I get a little further along. Alright, so do a fib channel. We're going to start here. This is the basis of how I create all my charts, by the way. Bring this up to the red line. Alright. And bring this up to here. So this is currently our resistance. As long as we're below this resistance, it can play out. We get above that, again, it's negated. Okay, so let's break this down. So let's do a trend line. So you can see right here, price got rejected. Let's make this white. And we'll put an arrow here. All right, and go to text. All right, so price gets rejected here. Make this smaller. So notice at this red line, price got rejected. Same thing. You notice right here, this line, price got rejected, right? Well, same thing over here. This is currently our resistance. And if price gets rejected, I expect the same thing to play out. Okay, so we got that. Now let's go back here. This is our resistance in 2013. Let me just copy this. So this is 2013 resistance, right? And look at this. This right here was support. So that is 2013 support. Same thing. We came back, we tested it again. 2013 support. So you see what's happening, right? Resistance flips as support, flips as support. All right, so let's come up here. This right here, this was our 2017 resistance, so let's put that there. All right, 2017 resistance. This was our 2019 resistance. Sorry, I got the right one here. So you can see what's happening, right? All right, let me draw a line here so you can see where we got rejected. All right, so you can clearly see. So basically what happened is 2013 resistance got tested as support, tested as support. This was our 2017 resistance, 2019 resistance. Well, look what this is right here. This will be our 2017, 2019 support. So to be 2017 through 2019 support. All right, let's take it a step further. So let me do a trend line here and show what I'm talking about. So we know that every time we bottom, it's the same parallel channel. So I'm going to draw a trend line here, make this long, and we'll make this yellow. Make it thicker. Okay, so this is currently our support, right? Notice that we bottomed here. I'm going to copy this and paste it. And notice, same thing. Notice this is our support. I'm going to bring this over here. And this right here, notice you got support and resistance. Notice how everything converges right here, right? And let's do another trend line. So notice when price pushes up, you notice right here, you notice that we had support, support, support flipped as resistance, right? Okay, let's do another trend line. You notice right here, if you follow this up, just like that, this was support, support, resistance. Same thing, guys. And let's do the next one. Let me zoom out a bit, hold on. So if you'll notice right here, we follow this up. You see how that's working? Right here, support, 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 and resistance. So they're all playing out the same. So this shows us where our peak is. But notice what happens. Let's see here. Let me get another arrow. Where's it at? Arrow tool. I always lose the damn thing. Let's just copy it. So right here, you'll notice where these lines intersect, where we make contact with both lines. So I'm going to put where lines intersect. Alright, so that gives you one instance here. Same thing, lines intersect. And the same thing up here. You see where the lines intersect. So to me, all of this is converging down to this point. All of the lines point to this point. Our support level points to this point. Notice we're getting rejected right here. we crashed, we got rejected right here, we crashed. So if we get rejected at this point, well, let's copy these candles. All right, so let's just take these candles right here. Where is this? All right. So if we just go from this point to this point here and bring this down, look at that confluence. And look where that price label is. Everything is pointing to 7,000. So again, I'm just showing you. And comment below if you think this is crazy or if you think this is plausible. But again, everything I see in the chart shows me it just seems likely because of what happened here. 2013 resistance held as support, 2017 resistance, 2019 resistance, that will flip as support. That means we're headed to 7,000. Everything that's going on with the stock market, earnings reports going to come out soon. If we have another major correction with the stock market, I think the bottom is 7,000, and that's why I'm shorting to 7,000 right now. And again, you can see we're coming down. I'll keep you posted. I already posted this in Discord. Remember guys, you can access all these charts on the website. The link's pinned to first comment description. I do have tutorials teaching my method of charting that I came up with. And $49 a month gives you access to Bitcoin charts, Discord, and Twitter. But guys, that's pretty much it. And this chart is available on the website if you want to get access to it. But I'll keep you posted. I'm shorting to 7,000. We'll see how it plays out. Guys, that's it. To the next video. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.